Hello, welcome to AC Studio. So this is the second video on my latest construction progress of my Warhammer 40K 1 to 18 scale Land Raider. So since a month ago, I am still working on the hull of the tank. And so far you can see I've started painting on the top of the hull, which I'm going to show you later. I still haven't fixed the ram door onto the tank yet, but I have already installed the magnet inside, and there's one magnet here as well, so it can keep together in close position. So now that issue has been solved. Even though I spend most of the time working on the hull, I have also started working on the details on the tracks area. You can see I start putting little details on the tank, and also detail on the front wheel as well. So I only did half of it, and I still got another half to go, but I'm going to do that later. The main progress is actually at the rear of the tank, and let me put this away. So you can see this one, I have also add details on the other side of the tank as well. Yep, and you can see I have already started painting the top part of the tank. I haven't painted inside, but otherwise it's looking really nice at the moment. Let me show you that one as well. So generally you can see I have started painting the hull details one by one. I haven't put them together yet, but you can see you can still disassemble them. They're just made of cardboard, so it's pretty easy to put together. And that as well. Whoops. And that as well. Yep. I haven't put any details on that yet as well. So mainly I spend a lot of time working in the back of the tank. So you can see this is the back of the tank, and this is the exhaust area. And this part is a little bit tricky to do because it got circular part as well, you know, different geometry. But it's okay, it's done anyway. Also I've done I think it's the engine area here, but of course I'm not going to make an engine. But this is the engine exhaust as well. So that detail has been done. And then I'll show you the detail on the exhaust. The exhaust area is stuck on the back by magnets. You can see there are magnets on the back of it together, so it can clip together. Because as I said before, I have an opening here in order to put the camera into it so that you can see, you know, what is happening inside the tank. So this is something I want to do because taking photos inside the hull looks really cool. And that is the assembly for the back of the hull. It's all painted, and you know, and I haven't given it the last bit of highlight on the edges, you know, but it's pretty much done in a way. This is all made of paperboard and cardboard as well, so it looks metal because it's paint like metal, but it's just paper. And that's the inside of it. You see it's hollow inside. That looking really nice. I really enjoy that one. You can put this off if I want to, but I haven't stick it together yet. But I'm not too sure whether I will fix it or not. Looks okay so far like that. And also you can see there's the pipes in there, right? That pipes are just gardening pipes. So I got these from, you know, hardware store. You know, it's an L-shaped, you know, pipe, gardening pipe. And I just, you know, put it together and paint it. That's it. So it looks really nice. So, you know, you probably did not realize until I tell you this is the gardening pipe. And also what I did is, let me open this thing inside. I haven't put it together yet. So this head thing, I already told you this thing can turn so that the bolter inside can turn as well. So let me take this off. Oh yeah, by the way, this thing, you can take it out as well for maintenance. So I could put my hands inside and, you know, look at the lights and whatever. So what I've done is to add red lights into the model as well. I already got white lights, which I turn this on. You see this white, but I recently got some red lights, and then the hull will look red. You see? So I just wanted, it's just something that I really want to see, because, you know, just imagine if the Space Marine inside the hull, you're going to the battlefield, you know, and they turn it into red, so it's, you know, combat ready. So and then the ramp door open and everybody like rush out, you know. So just something that I really want to see. Maybe I'll do a stop motion film later on using this as well, because the hull is so big. I also got a camera point, so you can see the interior of the hull in red. And let's turn the red off and turn the white lights on. Yeah, so you got two choices of lights. The white light obviously is brighter, you know, and the red lights come in. Yeah, very nice. Something that I want to see. Yep. So that is what I have done so far to the tank, and it is looking good. So you can see the tank on the sideways, so looking really weird, but but of course, you know, when you put the tracks together, it looks much better. And yeah, so far it is okay. I generally cannot wait to finish this off. Oh, crap. Alright, so that is how it looks like on the top of the hull so far. And this is the back of the hull. Looking really nice. Alright, so let me put the figure at the bottom of the hull to show you the height of the tank. It's a pretty big tank, really big tank. I kind of run out of patience because this thing takes a while now, even though it has been something like 2.5 months since, which, you know, it's really pretty fast progress, you know, when you build something that big. But I'm one of patience, you know. So what happened is I start painting it, right? That's why you see, you know, the front of the hull is pretty much kind of painted. Even though I know there's some details that you need to be added onto the hull. For example, the rivets and bolts, you know, to be added onto the hull, but it's already start painting. So I hope, you know, it looks like it has been kind of like done in a way. And the last thing I would like to say is I would also like to take this opportunity to say, you know, ask for, you know, your support through super thanks, like my videos and comment, you know, what you think of the progress so far. I have already spent lots of money already on just buying cardboard, you know, and also I spend money on the foam, you know, foam board, on making the track and stuff like that. So hopefully you can support me, you know, on purchasing materials as well. You know, material is expensive. You know, I probably can spend the same amount of money buying a new tank from Joytoy, probably the vinyl, instead of making my own. But what I've done here is something very different, very challenging, humongous, and you need a very big ambition in order to do this. And if you haven't subscribed me, please do. Look at what I've done. Yeah, not many people do that on YouTube. I only rely on this, my bare hands, and a knife or 2 knives, rulers, and glue. Nothing more than that. That's how I make this. So that is why your support is so important in this project, right? So that comes to the end of this video. Anyway, thank you so much, and thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.